Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable ANC and Transparency mods on your headphones Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. You have to start by open Realme application. Now choose your device. And right here you can just click on ANC to turn on it, but you need to put both of your earbuds into your ears, or to transparency mode, same. Let's check it. So now I'm clicking to transparency and it turned on transparency mode. Now I'm clicking to ANC and it turned on it. Also, you can press and hold on pressing buttons on your headphones, on the right one or on the left one, to switch between these modes. So you just press and hold. Let's check it. Let's turn on it. And now I'm press and hold. I turn on a transparency mode. If I'm doing again, I turn on an ANC mode. Here we go. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!